So that's all automatic though. That's
Yeah,
what's really cool about it. As a user, you just go on the Pump Fund, our equivalent, DGen Express. You make the meme,
right.
and it is CL, but you don't know CL. You don't need to know about it.
Yeah,
You just see your meme is created, and it's automatically deposited into Lever, which will be where the leverage comes from. You could long it, short it. I think there's rules about being under market cap size,
right.
obviously. Um, so there's that, and then it also has enables options, and I felt like options haven't picked up yet, but all
You're
the stuff
you are right though.
automatic.
That would be nice to have some real good
Yeah,
options because, and can you explain options a little bit to the guys and stuff in terms of like because I mean there's a lot of like it's much different than some people were saying it's what perps or something. No, it's a little different than that.
yeah. Okay, I'm not the best when it comes to what options are, but I know it's just a different way to get exposure to the asset, and people want to gamble in
Yeah,
crypto. It's meme coins. And sometimes you don't just want to spot gamble. You don't just want to buy the token and sell the token. So we're just offering different ways for people to do that. And then we also take inspiration from what works on Solana. So they give fees back. I think Mitoria, I don't know if I'm saying it right. They give fees back to the launchers. I think they do it by LP rewards, right? So we set up a system where we'll give fees back to launchers too automatically. Um, and it depends on the launcher, but you can do creator fees, you can do whatever you want. So all these things are going to start coming together, and we'll build the infrastructure because you can't fake memes.
yeah,
But once there's a couple memes that start, it'll wow, people start just like how we tricked them to use Sonic and they get hooked, right? They create memes here and then they get to do all this cool stuff. So I think we need all that stuff ready. We also need a good mobile wallet.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Please,
Yep.
Phantom, if you're paying attention, we're come on. We still need Phantom in a different way. We need a good wallet, a good EVM wallet for mobile. I know Rabbi's good, but I was just thinking about the most onboarding instantly. Put a credit card, moonshot. Just
Right.
thinking about that. So we get that. We obviously have all the pump funds, and we can have a bunch of different launchers. Let's say this launcher does. They'll give your fees back in creator fees, and this guy will do a lottery, and this guy will auto compound LP. All of them will use Shadow, and then they do CL. I think that's the future for meme coins, full range CL. But users don't need to know that. The pump fund does it. Boom. CL enables leverage. It enables the options, all automated. Then Shadow's going to put it all into our site and just make it super retail chill.